Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if your variant prices are not updating. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it open up, go right there and it's going to open up your home page. From there in the upper right corner we can get started. So you can go ahead and log into your account. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create one. If you have one, go ahead and log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From there in the upper left corner we can access that website editor where we have the configuration tab, site settings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at what to do if our variant product prices are not updating. So here we have a similar forum post on the official Odoo forums of somebody asking the same questions on variant images and prices not updating for public users, and it's showing somebody already having the same problem. So basically guys, you can see we also have an answer from them. The problem was a custom module. As you can see right here at the top of the screen, the configuration and the app settings, you have your modules which you want to make sure are all working correctly. But if you need more help, what I suggest for you to do is go to the official Odoo forums right here. Go to odoo.com/forum and it's going to enable you to post your own thread. So if you're having a problem, you can go and post any kind of thread, submit a thread, and explain what your problem is in great detail, provide images, and so on. And somebody more knowledgeable and who is a developer is Odoo is going to go ahead and come out to help you step by step on how to fix it, and this is your best choice. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.